Hello, for this part of the assignment I'm going to be singing on a Sunday, so here it goes. On a Sunday, what would you like to do? On a Sunday, what would you like to do? So one musical idea I have would be for the students to change around the lyrics. I can ask the children what they would do on a Sunday. Some of them might say, for example, I like to ride my bike. So if I were to change it to that lyric, it would sound like this. I like to ride my bike, I like to ride my bike. What would you like to do? I like to ride my bike, I like to ride my bike. What would you like to do? Or maybe it gets changed where it keeps the on the Sunday part. So if we do a different variation of that, it would sound like this. On a Sunday, what would you like to do? On a Sunday, I like to ride my bike. What would you like to do? So that version was only changing the third line of that and keeping the Sunday part intact. They can act things out. They can pretend to ride their bikes and that sort of thing. Another way to change the lyrics would be to ask the students what they like to do on a Monday. If I was teaching a kindergarten class, we would have the discussion about what we do on weekends and then what we do on Mondays, because Mondays are school days. And so we would discuss things that we do during the school day, like reading, writing, learning, that sort of thing, and they can put those lyrics into the song. Another way to change the lyrics would be to incorporate movements into it, so they can sing something like, on a Sunday, what would you like to do? On a Sunday, I like to jump up and down. What would you like to do? And obviously the students would jump up and down during that part, and it would get them moving around, which would be great. Another idea I have for incorporating play into the song would be call and response. So the teacher would sing one part and then the students would sing another part. It could also be where one student sings one part and the rest of the class sings another part once they become more comfortable with it. So for example, the teacher would sing, on a Sunday, and the students would sing, what would you like to do? On a Sunday, what would you like to do? And so on and so forth. So the teacher would really wait and anticipate hearing those students sing the part that they are supposed to sing. The final way to change the song around that I thought of for this would be to sing the song on a neutral syllable and then have the students improvise their own response. So what I use in my classroom is I have two turtles that are little puppets. One is named Mr. Turtle Jr. and one is called Mr. Turtle Sr. And these turtles, they talk to each other, but they never talk over each other. So I would have one of the puppets, and then a student would have another puppet, and we could use those manipulatives to figure out for the student when they're supposed to come in and that sort of thing. So that would sound like do, and the student would improvise something along the lines of do. They can either improvise something rhythmic or something melodic, whatever they're comfortable with. And those are my 3 ideas.